Hey, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Finxter.com, and in today's video, I want to welcome our new Finxter Freelancer student, Matija. So welcome, Matija, to the Freelancer course. Great to have you on board. Great that you joined the Freelancer course. So in these welcome videos, first of all, I want to tell you are appreciated. I want to give you like this personal touch, this personal message, so that you know I'm here for you. The Finxter creators are here for you to help you out with your struggle. So I see like Finxter as a community of like-minded people who actually want to express themselves. We want to have like a better life, live a better life with coding, and be like independent workers, like independent of any single company, independent of the government, independent even of a single state, independent of anything, right? That's also why we, for example, push into blockchain development as well, because blockchains are like this massive governments, like governmental systems spanning the whole world, right? But in today's video, I want to focus on machine learning, which is like as a proxy for the freelancer lifestyle. So if you want to become a freelance developer, you can actually code from home, you can work from home, you are completely free. You can move your home even if you're independent. So you can work from anywhere you want. You don't have to live in like upstate New York, right? Paying $4,000 rent and not seeing the trees. So you can, but you don't need to live in Silicon Valley, right? Paying like $6,000 USD for a flat in in LA or so. You don't have to make it artificially hard your life, right? You don't have to work 14 hours per day to make a living and to have a great lifestyle, right? Instead, you can just take your time, lead a very calm life, like read a lot of books to train your skills, do those courses like Finxter Freelancer course. So this is not my book. This is actually a deep learning deep learning, right? And a very good book. And if you for example if you are interested in becoming a machine learning engineer on a freelance basis, then you do those things, right? You take your time, relax a bit, take your time, invest more time to learn and to invest more time in yourself than you do in your job. So you learn, you lead this relaxed life, you read books that improve your skills, Coffee Break, NumPy, which actually those books are like all the Coffee Break or the Finxter books I actually include in the course, so you have access to them in the courseware. You can also purchase big AI machine learning books, and you just take the calm time, you read those books, you absorb the content, you become better over time, and you start earning some money, right? And here I want to give you a calm case study of a freelance developer who does it from Argentina, right? Earning $60 per hour. And $60 per hour, maybe for a Silicon Valley engineer, it doesn't sound impressive, right? If you work on Amazon or for Google or for Facebook, maybe this is not for you, right? Maybe you just keep earning your $150 per hour, working the whole time, and having very little free time. You're always forced to go to work, right? But if you live in Argentina, actually making $60 per hour, right? You work 5 hours a day, making $300 a day, and you can have the lifestyle like a king, right? You are completely free, and of course you have a lot of time. You have much more time than, say, the Google engineer. Time to, for example, study and learn, to improve your skills, and to think about your business. And I think if you want to lead this calm lifestyle, I think freelancing is perfect for this. Being a remote-based freelancer, you don't have to waste time in commute. You don't have to consume a lot. You don't have to have the biggest car, right? You can really relax, calm down. So take a breath and actually think about the big picture topics, and learn and improve and become a more relaxed human being, right? You don't need to have this. You don't need to get involved in all the stress of the corporate world anymore, right? And more people actually see this already. 50% or so. I recently read a statistic from Upwork, from a report, annual report from Upwork, or quarterly report. I don't remember. So 50% of the Gen Y generation actually leaves, starts out as freelancers. So their first kind of job or first income is made as freelancers, right? So freelancing is on the rise. Remote work, obviously, after COVID, is on the rise significantly. So you can do lots of remote work jobs, and you can relax. You can work less. You don't have to waste time in commute, and you don't have to bet on a single company's success, right? Because as a freelancer, as long as there are some companies who need freelancers, you are safe, right? So you get hired. And as long as you delight your customers and create value. So if you look at this freelancer, Martin, he lives in Argentina, 100% job success rate. So he just calmly focused on creating good solid work, right? Positioning, it's nothing fancy, right? Just in the description, Python, data science, and machine learning. Like very general positioning. It's not the smartest positioning, right? It's often better just to do things even if they are imperfect and then improve over time, right? And he just put there data science and machine learning. It's also not the worst, right? I mean, clients know what they get. It's a like healthy hourly rate, I think. Even for like if you live in Argentina, it's actually great. It's an awesome hourly rate. It's like a kingmaker hourly rate, right? And he just he is a data scientist with some experience. He actually has a Bachelor of Science in Economics, right? So he is not even like in Bachelor in the first couple of years. He hasn't even focused on data science. And clients hire him for projects that help them get to know how I work. So this is how they start long-term work relation. Why long-term? Because it's more efficient, right? You don't need to spend lots of time acquiring new clients if you have existing client bases which you can rely on, with which you can maintain a long-term relationship. And here what he tells us is expect integrity, fluid communication in English, technical proficiency, and long-term support, right? Very calm, very value-oriented, very giving nature, not like competition mode, not doing like all the like presenting themselves as being like the absolute best in something. They have solid skills. They create value. They are focused on they have the best interest of the clients at heart, and they just live a calm lifestyle that makes a great living. Completely free, completely independent. Can work from anywhere they want. They can work like they can work half of the year. They can work in Caba, Argentina. Then the other half of the year they can move to Indonesia, right, and work from there, like saving most of the money, being very relaxed and calm, investing it in cryptocurrency, or do whatever you love, right? Do whatever you like. You don't need to lead the fast-paced corporate life. It's not needed anymore. There are so many ways to actually leaving the rat race with Python. Actually, this is also the title of my book, and this book is also comes with a freelancer course, right? So you can check it out. So read more, relax, calm down, think about what you really want, and then you just read in your field, become better over time. Don't be perfectionistic, just publish the initial profile. We as Finxter, we can even invite you, Matija, we can invite you for the first freelancer gig, so you don't even need to create a profile on Upwork. We invite you, so you won't get rejected by Upwork. Actually, most freelancers initially get rejected, and we will just invite you. You get accepted automatically because we are your first client, right? We pay you for the first gig. You can do it. You can it's a very simple way of getting started as a freelancer, earning your first bucks, and then you just build from there, right? Day after day, you just think in daily increments, and you become better and better every day. Very simple approach, very new. I think it's a very, very attractive way of living. Okay, anyways, thanks for joining the freelancer course, and see you in the course. Bye.